Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date May 28, 2021. Let's start with national news. Pranay Vijayan led Kerala government to be sworn on May 28th. Recently held Kerala Assembly election, Pranay Vijayan led Communist Party of India won 99 seats, Congress won 41 seats, BJP could not win any seats. Pranay Vijayan will sworn in as CM of Kerala on May 20th. Kerala Chief Minister Pranay Vijayan, Kerala Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Dr. Reddy's Shilpa Medicare Inc. agreement for Sputnik V production. Dr. Reddy's Laboratory and Shilpa Biological Private Limited, both the pharmaceutical company, made agreement for the production of Sputnik V vaccine. As per the agreement, targeted production of the dual vector Sputnik V for the first 12 months is 50 million doses from the commencement of the commercial production, while Dr. Reddy's is responsible for distribution and marketing for the vaccine. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories headquarters is located in Hyderabad. Shilpa Pharmaceutical Company the headquarters located in Karnataka. CoWIN portal in Hindi, 14 religious languages soon. The CoWIN web portal is a government web portal for the vaccine registration. Now the web portal is available in Hindi and other 14 religious languages by next week. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan informed his colleagues that 7 new laboratories are going to be added to the INSACOG network. It is a national multi-agency consortium that was set up by the Indian government in December 2020. The network to increase the number of samples screened and allow for more spatial analysis. The network is presently it was served by 10 laboratories located at different corners of the country. Uttarakhand records first black fungus death. The first death of the COVID-19 patient from the lethal fungal infection called mucormycosis, popularly known as black fungus. This fungal infection is prone to COVID-19 patients. So far it was recorded in Gujarat, now currently reports in Uttarakhand also. Uttarakhand has reported its second black fungus or mucormycosis fatality with a 72-year-old woman dying at the AIIMS in Rishikesh. Mucormycosis symptoms are one-sided facial swelling, headache, nasal or sinus congestion, black lesions on nasal bridge followed by fever. Central government releases rupees 5,968 crore to 15 states under Jal Jeevan Mission. Of the central fund allocated under Jal Jeevan Mission, 93% is to be utilized on developing water supply infrastructure, 5% on support activities and 2% on water quality monitoring and surveillance. What is Jal Jeevan Mission? Jal Jeevan Mission, a central government initiative under the Ministry of the Jal Shakti, aimed to ensure access of piped water for every household in India. In his independence speech in 2019, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that half of the country's household did not have access to piped water. For this mission, rupees 3.5 trillion funds are allocated. He said the central and state government would work together in upcoming years. The mission of the goal is to provide all households in rural India safe and adequate water through individual household tap water connection by 2024. Cases with side effects due to corona vaccination are very rare. Recently, research has established that there are far few incidents with side effects among the citizens who got vaccinated against the coronavirus. The above research was conducted based on the data collected from 10 lakh citizens in 753 districts all over India. It is recorded that only 0.61% citizen has side effects. In other words, out of 10 lakh citizens, only 600 citizens had side effects. Ayush Department launches Ayush Ghar Dwar for COVID-19 patients. In Himachal Pradesh, Ayush Department Ministry launched a statewide wellness program called Ayush Ghar Dwar for COVID-19 patients in Solon district. It aims to provide a holistic healthcare approach through Ayush to ensure not only physical but also mental, social, spiritual well-being to COVID-19 patients through Ayush. The Ayush Ghar Dwar program is being launched by the Ayush Vibhag, Himachal Pradesh in collaboration with the Art of Living organization. Under this program, around 1,000 virtual groups will be made on different social media platforms through which trained instructors on Ayurveda will conduct virtual session on yoga, pranayam, breathing exercise, meditation, therapies, medicines and practices to calm the mind besides other. Famous mathematician M.S. Narasimhan passed away. Famous mathematician Professor M.S. Narasimhan has passed away on May 16th, on Sunday. Known for the Narasimhan Shastri theorem, this mathematician was the only Indian to receive the King Faisal International Prize in the field of science. He is the recipient of Bhatt Nagar Prize in 1975, Third World Academy Award for Mathematics in 1987 and is a Fellow of the Royal Society London. In 2006, he was a recipient of the King Faisal International Prize for Science. Andhra to make rupees 1,000 lakhs fixed deposit for children orphaned due to COVID-19. After Madhya Pradesh and Delhi government, Andhra Pradesh Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy led administration today directed officials to work towards fixing a deposit rupees 10 lakh for every child who lost their parents due to COVID-19 situation. Tamil Nadu news. Honors for K. Rajanarayanan statue at Kovilpatti announced by Tamil Nadu CM Stalin. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and leaders were various political parties paid rich encomiums. Legendary Tamil writer K. Rajanarayanan, shortly called Kira, who passed away on Monday at Puducherry. As a mark of respect, a statue of the writer will be installed in Kovilpatti, where the Panchayat Union Middle School at his native place Idevasal will be renovated. Besides, an auditorium with Kira's photographs and works will be established. Appointments. Britannia's Kunjan Shah set to join Bata India as its new CEO. India's largest footwear retailer company, Bata India Limited, on Friday announced the appointment of Kunjan Shah as its new CEO, succeeding Sandeep Kataria, who was elevated as the global CEO of Bata Brands last year. Books. Sikkim, a history of intrigue and alliance book released. This book was released in Sikkim State A on May 16th. This book was authored by former diplomat Preet Mohan Singh Malek. This book was published by HarperCollins. About the book, how the Sikkim became the India's 22nd state. The objective of the book, he says, to clarify and establish the primacy of strategic issues that lays behind India's decision to accept the demand that Sikkim is merged with India. Awards. Union Education Minister awarded with International Invincible Gold Medal. The Union Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant has been awarded the International Invincible Gold Prize that was announced at the two-day virtual session. The session was attended by various representatives from over 110 countries across the world. His services. Nishant has been identified for his extraordinary commitment and outstanding service to humanity through his writings, social and illustrious public life. The Union Education Minister Nishant for his continuous support and commitment to the World Peace Program. He has been propagating ancient Vedic values, wisdom and traditional knowledges most scientific across the world. Dr. Tony Nadar, President of Mashri Organization worldwide. He appreciated the Union Education Minister for the new education policy and he honored the award for him. Sports news. Italy Open Tennis Tournament 2021 held in Rome. Rafael Nadal, Spain player, won the title by defeating Novak Djokovic in men's singles. Women's singles, Iga Swiatek she is a Poland player, won the title by defeating Karolina Pliskova. Men's doubles, Markel Granollers and Horacio Zeballos won the title by defeating Rajeev Ram and Joe Salisbury. Women's doubles, Fekman and Olmos went on to win by defeating the Kristina and Marketa. Important days. Sikkim Statehood Day is celebrated on May 16th. In 1950, the Indo-Sikkimese Treaty was signed. With this treaty, Sikkim became the Protectorate of India. The Namgyal dynasty ruled Sikkim until 1975. Interesting facts. Sikkim is the first state in the country to become 100% organic. Today, all farming activities in Sikkim are carried out without the use of pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. River Teesta is a major river flowing in the state. River Teesta is a tributary of Brahmaputra. Expected questions. Question number 1. When will the Pinarayi Vijayan sworn in as CM of Kerala? Option A, May 8th. Option B, May 28th. Option C, May 15th. Option D, May 25th. Answer, May 28th. Question number 2. Who will administer oath and affirmation to Kerala's Chief Minister? Option A, Arif Muhammad Khan. Option B, Sri Ganga Prasad. Option C, Sri Ramesh Payas. Option D, Tamilisai Soundararajan. Answer, Arif Muhammad Khan. Question number 3. Dr. Reddy's company made agreement with which company for the production of Sputnik V? Option A, Aruna Medicare. Option B, Kritika Medicare. Option C, Shilpa Medicare. Option D, Vaishva Medicare. Answer, Shilpa Medicare. Question number 4. How many % of rare cases are being affected during corona vaccination? Option A, 0.61%. Option B, 0.51%. Option C, 0.71%. Option D, 0.81%. Answer, 0.61%. Question number 5. When was Sikkim Statehood Day celebrated? Option A, May 20th. Option B, May 16th. Option C, May 26th. Option D, May 18th. Answer, May 16th. Question number 6. Which state introduced Ayush Ghar Tawar? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Himachal Pradesh. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. Answer, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 7. Who was appointed as the CEO of Bata Footwear Retailer Company? Option A, Sandeep Kataria. Option B, Kunjan Shah. Option C, David Attenborough. Option D, Anup Bhattacharya. Answer, Kunjan Shah. Question number 8. Who was the only Indian to honor with King Faisal International Prize? Option A, M.S. Narasimhan. Option B, Preet Mohan Singh. Option C, Anup Bhattacharya. Option D, Jyoti Krishnan. Answer, M.S. Narasimhan. Question number 9. Who was authored the book Sikkim, A History of Intrigue and Alliance? Option A, Gajendra Singh. Option B, Preet Mohan Singh Malik. Option C, Vikram Seth. Option D, Abdul Fazal. Answer, Preet Mohan Singh Malik. Question number 10. Which principal gold medal? Option A, Prahlad Joshi. Option B, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant. Option C, Gajendra Singh. Option D, Jai Shankar. Answer, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant. Question number 11. Which state government recently announced rupees 10 lakhs fixed deposit for the children orphaned due to COVID-19? Option A, Himachal Pradesh. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Answer, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 12. Who won the title in Italy Open Tennis 2021 Women's Singles? Option A, Iga Swiatek. Option B, Kristina. Option C, Marketa. Option D, Carolina. Answer, Iga Swiatek. For the daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.